Would you would you work for anybody if you were smarter than they were?
No.
Absolutely not. Yeah, exactly. They should be working for you, right? Okay, so which tells you that in order to in order to put yourself in a position of power, you got to be willing to learn more and work harder than everybody else. You get out of life what you put into it, people. Don't expect you to float through life, man, land on no big pile of money. That ain't gonna happen. It don't work that way. You get out of life what you put into it. For those of you who want better opportunities than everybody else, if you want to ball harder than everybody else, you want to make more money than everybody else, you have to learn more and work harder than everybody else. That's the only way it's gonna work. I mean, a lot of you don't want to hear that, but it's the truth. Let me ask you a question. How many of y'all want to run your own company, be your own CEO, your own boss? Show your hands, show your hands. Keep your hands up, keep your hands up. Everybody want to be your own boss. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up, up. All the bosses, CEOs, presidents. All right, now don't put them down. Keep them up, keep them up. How many of you willing to go to school year round? No Christmas vacation.
I
No
do
summer
that.
vacation.
I
No
do
spring
it.
break.
I do it.
School on the weekend.
I do it. I do it.
All right, hold up. Stop right there. Look, now you see how many bosses we got left? You see how many? Don't put your hand back there. You see how many bosses we got left? All right, now put your hand down, boss. Now listen. You see, when I say who want their own company, who want to be their own CEO, it sounds good. Everybody shoot their hand at me. Then when I start talking about all the hard work that go into it, they start taking their hand down. You see, that tells me that you expect to get something from nothing. Ain't gonna happen. It ain't gonna happen. You gotta understand, man. Like, school is your first experience with society. You know what I'm saying? This is your first taste of the real world. So, I mean, that means that this is here to condition you, to get you ready for what you're gonna have to do out there. And out there, you ain't gonna always be able to do what you want to do. School is here, oddly enough, I know it sounds funny, but school is here to get you used to doing the stuff that you don't want to do. You know why? Because the road to success is paved full of things that you ain't gonna want to do. And the art of being successful is being able to do these things that you don't want to do so well